I wanna all night. Say it. I wanna all night. I wanna all night. Say it. I wanna all night.
Hello, stranger. It's been a minute since we last kicked.
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, thank you for joining us, thank you for tuning in, and thank you for clicking on today's video. If y'all can't tell by that title, we are going to be doing a wig install, but I wanted to kind of make it more like interesting for you guys, get y'all to like interact more with my videos or whatever. I'm not going to tell y'all as of yet which wig I'm going to be installing. So I want y'all to pause the video right now and go down to the comment section and tell me which wig you think I'm going to be installing in this video. Now I will end up wearing both of these wigs, but just let me know which one y'all think I will be putting on first. So the first one we got is, we got our Outre Melted Hairline Antonella wig. This is the stock card here. This is what she's looking like. Nice curly synthetic wig for the summertime. Bust down middle part, okay? And then the second option, and I feel like these wigs are two like completely opposite wigs. The second option is another Outre Melted Hairline. I'm just gonna give a disclaimer right now. Outre is one of my favorite wig brands to wear. But this one is Alondra. Right here, if y'all can see that, the stock card. And then this is what she's looking like now. She's curly as well, but just in a different sense. And then this is more of like your golden honey blonde color. And then this one is a side part. So yeah, let me know which one y'all think I'm going to be installing today. Alright, now that y'all done went down to the comment section and put in y'all best guess, I hope y'all enjoyed this video. And if y'all want to see which wig I'm going to be installing today, then make sure y'all just keep on watching. Alright, let's get into a little bit more details with this wig. Now, it does have soft HD transparent lace. It has a 5-inch deep parting space. It does come with a completely pre-plucked hairline and sideburns. It has a pre-attached wide elastic band for a secure fit, natural baby hairs, and then they did redesign the comfort fit ear contour. This wig does come in 10 different colors, but the color I am going to be applying today is the 1B color. Now I am going to be showing you guys the inside of the wig. It does come with 3 combs, 2 in the front. It does have 1 in the back. That's that elastic band that I was talking about. It does come with adjustable straps as well. And as always, I love putting my wigs on a mannequin head so y'all can start to see the vision and get more of an effect of how it will look on my actual head. But I did not get this wig directly out of the box. It was the last one. This was the display. But let's get into the actual hairline. As always, I feel like Outre's hairlines look pretty natural, especially for synthetic wigs. Like, just look at that, the baby hairs. I really won't have to do much to this hairline at all, so that's always a plus. Right here, I wanted to get up close and personal with you guys and show y'all how I cut my lace. Now, I am using bigger scissors just because I couldn't find my smaller ones, but as y'all can actually see, because we are so up close, I am going in a zigzag motion just so when we apply the wig, the lace looks more natural. I never do it to my actual hairline, as I've told y'all before, because my edges come down pretty low, like almost to my eyebrows, so I never do it that way. And right here, I just wanted to show y'all what it looks like cut and uncut. Now this is with the lace completely cut off. Y'all look at that. It never ceases to amaze me how natural their hairlines look, like I said, especially for synthetic wigs, in my opinion. And also right here, I just wanted to pretty much show y'all before and after of me tinting the lace. I just ended up using my foundation as always. Now it's time to get into putting her on. While I'm putting her on, I do want to give y'all a few like side notes. So this hair had minimal to no shedding at all whatsoever. Now I don't know if that's because, like I said, this was a display and it wasn't straight out the box. It had been played with or whatever, so I don't know if that plays a factor, but just take that into account. When I got to the wig, it didn't really have much shedding at all. And then far as like the wig being big head friendly, as y'all saw my hair in the beginning of the video, I had just washed it and it was pulled down into like a low bun. I feel like it's big head friendly because my hair is never like really super flat under my wig. So if it fits over that, then I feel like if you have a bigger head and your hair is actually braided down, then it will actually work. Right here, I'm just trying to get my middle part in the center. I feel like I never get them like super centered or whatever, but I just take the end of a rat tail comb just to try to get it as centered as possible. And now I'm going to be going in with the spray I've been using recently, that Even wig spray. And then I'm going to go in with 2 layers of spray. And as y'all see me doing with that cotton pad, I'm just wiping away any excess product. Make sure y'all give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit that bell notification so y'all don't miss any of my videos. But I'm just going in with that blow dryer on a medium heat setting. I don't do cool and I don't do hot because you want it to be just the right amount of tacky. So as you can see, I'm pulling it down here that it'll actually stick and melt into the skin. I always take the end of a rat tail comb and really press that lace into the skin with the blow dryer so that we can make sure that it's fully melted into my skin. I don't usually do this for all of my wigs. Now I only laid down that front part that y'all saw, and then I realized that I needed to cut out space for my ears, so that's just what I'm doing here.
Keep wasting my time, keep wasting my time. Long as you got your eyes, got your trippy on them private jets, taking trips.
And then it's time to repeat that process with the rest of the wig and lay it down.
Wonder who you might have been playing with, makes me wonder who you think you're playing with. I'm just telling myself to keep playing this record back over and over again. Swear that you changed, but
once the wig is laid down, as always, it's time to go in with my elastic band. I really like doing this because I feel like it really helps melt that lace even further into the skin so we get more of that natural look.
long stay, call your name. You'll continue to try to play these games. Leave your family in the cold rain. And I don't think you'll ever change your ways. Cause our house is not a home where no one's there. So alone, no one's there. Should I move on since no one's here? You know what you got is good, that's why you refuse to let me walk out.
Y'all, I feel like I was struggling with that elastic band a little bit, but once I finally got it on, we are going to leave this on for 5 minutes. Now it's time to take that elastic band off, and y'all know recently I haven't really been feeling like that baby hair look, but I feel like with this wig it went perfectly with it. Now you probably still could do it without the baby hairs, but since they were there I decided to utilize it. And I'm going to be going in with my Got To Be gel, and then I'm going in with my Edge Booster gel as well, with my toothbrush as always. Now, one thing I did notice when I was doing this, I could have got away with just using the Edge Booster gel because, and I don't know if this will make sense to you guys, but the Edge Booster gel was a little bit more, I'm going to say hard, that's probably not the right word, but if y'all have worked with the Got To Be gel, y'all know it's a little bit more slick and wet, so I felt like because of that, it was starting to move my baby hairs around. Even when I sprayed the baby hairs, I feel like that was kind of moving them around as well. So I could have got away with just using the Edge Booster gel. And as I told y'all before, I'm not the greatest with doing baby hair, so don't come for me in the comments. I do them to the best of my ability and to my liking.
Play with, I'm beside myself to keep playing this record back over and over again. Swear that you changed, but I noticed the end.
And back again we go with the elastic band. Y'all, I kid y'all not, this really does help melt the skin, the lace into the skin. I've never found anything better, like using bandanas or scarves or whatever. To me, in my opinion, don't work as well. But really using that elastic band helps that lace really melt into the skin. So I did not leave this on for 5 minutes like I did the first time. I actually don't even know how long I left it on, because we're going to be doing other things while the baby hairs are setting this time. So now that elastic band is on, I'm taking my Cantu mousse, and I'm just going to be applying this all throughout the wig because we want the curls to be popping. We want them more defined. So yeah, just decided to run this throughout the entire wig. And I will say, I do love how these curls actually look. After that, I do go in with my concealer. Now, I don't always do this, but I felt like this time it was a little bit more necessary because through that lace, I feel like I can still see the wig cap. So I did it, 1, to help cover up the wig cap, and 2, just to clean up that parting space just a little bit. Also, as y'all saw, you cannot adjust the parting space, so it's in the middle. That's it, that's all. Now we're taking off that elastic band again, and then this will be the final look. I am going to adjust it and play around with it just to ensure that it's to my liking. But overall, I feel like this is a great wig. It's super inexpensive. I feel like it's beginner friendly. I love the curls on it. It's a great summer wig. But just putting my earrings on here just to really finish off that look. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. As always, if y'all did, make sure y'all give this video a fat thumbs up. Make sure y'all hit that subscribe button down below to join the ALB fam, because where else would you want to be? And don't forget to hit that bell notification as well so y'all never miss when I post another video. As always, I love y'all, and until the next video, y'all, bye.
I wanna all night, say it. I want all night. I wanna all night, say it. I want all night.
Hello, stranger. It's been a minute since we last kicked it. And by the way,